Hello, my name is Abir and this is Blogsite. My GitHub username is puttard_556 and my edX username is Abir Hussain. I'm from Bangladesh in the city of Dhaka and this video is being recorded on the 28th of February 2025. Now let's get into it. This is a blog website where you can create, read, update and delete blog posts. If you go to the designated URL of the video, you will meet with the login page and also the registration page. In the login page, you can put your email and your password to log in to your account. If you don't have any account, you can go to the registration page and create a new account. For this, you need an email, a username, and you have to type your password twice in order to confirm it. So let's get it added and create an account. If you suppose we have an account name, example 1 at the rate of now you need to have a unique you need to have an email, a proper valid email, because it will check that if it's an email or not. Suppose if you add any other remove a .com or an ad, it will post an error saying it's not a valid email. Let's give it a name called example_1, password, and we have to confirm the password. Now after submitting this, if everything is all right, you will be redirected to the login page and a flash message will appear saying you have successfully created an account. And there, our account was successfully created and we now can log into our account. Let's put our credentials, our password, and there we go. We have entered the website. Now if you see in the top, you will see the logo of the web page. It's not called Blogsite. You have a link to the home tab. If you click it, you will go to the home page and you will see different posts of different users. You'll see a title, a slug, the author of the post, a description of the post, and the time it was posted on. In the second link, you can add posts. Now we will come back to it to see how the posts are generally created. And in the third link, you will see my blogs. So if you create any posts, all of your posts will appear in this page. You also have a search engine and you can search posts. The search engine works within the context of the content page. So if you type anything, this search page will look for names in the content area, not the general description or title. Suppose if you search for bumblebee, it will search in the database to see in the content area there's any single name bumblebee, and it will then fetch and post you that post, this particular post that has that data in it. And you also have a logout route. If you press this, your session will be clear and you will be redirected to the login page. So let's go back to the add post tab. So you can give a title, a slug, a description, thumbnail, and a text to your blogs. So if you go to the title page, for example, give it a name, title, say example post. Let's give it a slug, say example dash post. Let's give it a description as a example. We can also choose a thumbnail, as you see in the home page, where the thumbnail will be displayed. But let's not post thumbnail here. We'll just see how things work out. You can also give a text. Now, here's a dedicated text editor you will see in different kinds of applications, suppose Google Docs and Microsoft Word. It's not as advanced as those, but you can format and style as your text. For example, you can add bold, you can make your text. Let's enter text. This is a sample text. So if you highlight your text, you can bold it. You can also make it italic and also strike it. Simple as it. Simple as that. You have also the option to paste your text, copy your text, and also add images, tables, and some code snippets. You also have the ability to maximize your editor to have the full view of what is going on. So I'm basically using CK editor as the editing tool here. After you're done, you can scroll back here and submit your post. This will redirect you to my blogs page, and a flash message will appear that says blog was submitted successfully. So this is our post that we have posted. There's a title, slug offer, description. You also have the ability to edit the post. So if you go to the edit page, suppose example post, let's give it a quotation mark at the end. Quotation. So it's a single quotation mark. We just want to see if it actually edits our post or not. So we have given a single quotation mark. If you say submit it, it will say that your post has been updated. And you can see if we click on the title page, it will redirect you to the view page that will view your post. And yes, it was successfully updated. You can see a sample text, and you will also see a name, the name of the user underneath, and that's it. So let's go back again. You also have the ability to delete post. So if you click the delete button, and alert will show up and will say, are you sure you want to delete this post? If you say cancel, it won't delete the post. But if you say OK, it will delete your post, and you haven't. It will show you haven't created any post. A flash message will appear that says your post has been deleted. So let's go to these. So the final function is the search bar. So let's see how that works. For example, as I've said before, if we search bumblebee and click on search, the post about bumblebees will appear. For example, I want to search for some post about the lorem ipsum will show up, and you can click there and you can see this post. So that's it. So this was my final project. I hope everyone who sees this likes it, and if you want to see the code, it's in the description. You can go. My GitHub repos link is in the description. And thank you.